In the heart of Africa, where the rhythm of life meets the resonance of art, lies Cape Town Opera, a beacon of culture, creativity, and community. As the only professional opera company on the African continent, our role extends beyond the main stage. We are the storytellers, the guardians of voices that echo through generations. South Africa's vocal talent is taking the world by storm, making us a significant exporter of voices. Our mission is to safeguard opera as an integral part of South Africa's rich cultural heritage. Cape Town Opera is not just an arts company. We are a lifeline and one of the largest arts employers in South Africa, providing permanent employment to young singers, opera practitioners, instructors, and administrators. At Cape Town Opera, we believe in the power of education and mentorship. We offer unmatched skills development and hands-on training to young artists from all corners of our country. Our internationally recognized Foundation Studio program provides invaluable musical training free of charge to talented high school learners, giving them not only the gift of music, but also meals and transportation. The stars of tomorrow are being nurtured through the Judith Nielsen Young Artist Program. This unique 2 to 3 year paid program empowers graduate singers with soloist potential, refining their technique and stage skills, preparing them for professional careers. We don't stop at the stage. Cape Town Opera brings people together from diverse backgrounds with free concerts in local city venues and engages with secondary school learners through backstage experiences. We are a social bridge, promoting dignity and self-worth by giving individuals the opportunity to develop their talents and confidence through the all-encompassing art form that is opera. Opera is vital in South Africa as it represents a cultural mosaic where diverse voices and stories converge to celebrate the rich tapestry of this nation. At Cape Town Opera, we are the torchbearers of this art form, ensuring that it remains accessible and relevant in our society. Join us on this incredible journey, Cape Town Opera, where culture, creativity, and community converge to create something truly beautiful.